Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix cannot connect to iTunes store option. Maybe you have a situation that you want to open your iTunes store but it cannot be opened. So let's get started. Firstly, go to your settings, scroll it up, tap at general, scroll it up, tap at time and date, appears on screen. You should set it as automatically. Then go back, try to open your iTunes store. Tap at open iTunes U app. Appears on screen, you can see cannot connect to iTunes store. Tap at retry. This cannot connect into iTunes store. So we are going to fix this problem. Just go back, open your settings, tap at your Apple ID, scroll it up, tap at media and purchases. Appears on screen, you can see option sign out, password setting, view account. Tap at view account. Wait for a moment. Enter your ID. Appears on screen plenty of settings, but you should focus on country region. Just tap on it. Tap at change country region. Scroll it up until you see the option United States. Just tap at United States. Tap at agree. Again tap at agree. Enter the requirements. Tap at next. Tap at next. Now tap at done. Now go back. Now again open your iTunes store. Appears on screen, you can see iTunes store is open now. Like this, you can easily fix this option at your ISO devices. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please share it to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any other question, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.